Hi viewers, welcome back, and this is Rupesh here, and I wanted to show you how you can apply the tag in your Azure resource. So you can apply the tag on your any kind of resource. Suppose it is a storage account or it is a database account, or if it is something other resource. So any resource you can apply the tag. So let's first find out how to apply the tag. So in order to apply the tag, you must pass the resource ID, and there is a commandlet called as new AG tag. This is PowerShell I'm using. So in PowerShell you can use new AG tag, and you can pass the resource ID where you want to apply the tag, and you need to also create the tag as a key value pair, right? Tag is a key and value. So here we have two tags. One is the department is a key and value is finance. Another tag is a status is a key and normal is a value for that tag. So we have a set of tags here, and these tags I will apply to my resource ID. Okay, and once you run this command, it will output the value how it is applied the tag. So let's first find out how many resources I have. So I can do get az resource to find out all the resources. I think it is a source. So you can see here I have already tags on my one resource, and I have another resource where there is no tag. I will use this resource to apply the new tag. So remember, in order to apply the tag, you need a resource ID. So either you can use this long resource ID, or you can fetch the resource first by using its name and resource scope, and then from the resource.id you can use the ID and you can pass that like it is in this example. So let's get the resource first. So I will use get az resource, and I have to pass the name of the resource, right? So in my case the name was, I'll copy the name so that I don't mistake here. So this was my name, and then the group name you have to also pass. So let me copy that name also so that I don't mistake. So here is the group name as well. So if I hit enter, I will get the resource, right? So now this is the resource I'm fetching. I need to first put this resource in a variable so that I can use it. Okay, so like this. So resource is equal to get az resource name and all of that, and then get az resource with name and resource group, you get the resource. Next step is to get the ID of that resource and then apply the tag using new AG tag. So therefore the next step is to first create the tag that you want to apply, right? So let me create the same tag that is in this example. So I will create the tag which will have department finance and status normal, and this tags is created. So now I have to apply this tag. In order to apply the tag, I'll have to use the command called as new AG tag, and I have to pass the resource ID. And resource ID, now as I said, you can use your resource object to get the ID, and then you have to pass the new tag. So the new tags are the tags property. Here hit enter. So make sure you put the correct spelling here, resource ID. Okay, so you see the tag is now applied. Okay, and in order to fetch the tag also you can use get AG tag, and basically you need to pass the resource ID, and this way you can see the tag. Okay, for this resource you see the tag we have applied, department is equal to finance, status is normal. If you want to fetch all the tags in your subscription, you can just call get az tag. It will show all the count of your tags. It will not show the value, but it will show the name of the tag that you have so far. Suppose in my subscription I have a department tag, status tag of one count. You can have the same tag applied to various resources. For example, you can say I have all the production tag in all of the production resources. So it will show the count that way. So you learn how to fetch a tag from a resource ID, and you also learn how to basically apply a new tag to a particular resource ID in this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and see you soon.